Hey guys, welcome to Season 2, Episode 1 of Portfolio Update. Feels weird, but also good to be back. It's been about a month since I made my last video. I had plans of making maybe some update videos during the weekend, but a mixture of being busy and also lazy resulted in me not making any videos. Sorry about that, but I have continued investing. I actually started that would mean I had spent longer than a month not making videos, which I apologize for. But yeah, I started investing about 2-3 weeks ago, and for the day I'm up 19.7% or $384. For the week, I'm up $700 or 43%, and then for the month, I'm up $1,000 or 76%. So yeah, I had to take even more money out for tuition, which left me with about $1,300, and then I ended up putting about putting some of my money into weed stock, which did not go so well. It pretty much went down as soon as I put my money in, and I ended up taking like $100 loss, and then put my money in Workhorse, and it's just, as the graph can show you, it's just been a solid uptrend since then. I actually got in around 1674, and that's a 74% return, and I bought a call option which returned me 280%, and today returned me 56% or $134, which I'm very happy about. I did some research, and I've already had a lot of experience with Workhorse. It just seemed like EVs were going to be shooting up, and Workhorse was one of those EVs that still had a catalyst coming up for it, and that it being the USPS contract, which no one still knows when exactly. People are hoping it happens before the end of the year. That's why I ended up buying that December 24th contract. I'll probably sell that as soon as Workhorse has its first pullback, but for now, I'm happy with Workhorse. It's been very good to me. So let's talk about Blink. Blink had a beautiful day, 60% in a day. I don't know what to say. Let's just say someone very close to me invested in this at around $14 or $16 and has had their portfolio double, almost triple, I want to say. I won't say any names, but they've enjoyed Blink. The only time I ever played Blink was when it was first put into my attention. It was one of those where I was like, definitely a long-term play on this one. I definitely think that EV is going to be the future, and Blink is going to be the gas station of the electric vehicles. But I didn't see it as a short-term play, and the 1 month chart speaks for itself. Yeah, really just last month it just went ballistic, and if you were able to get in any time in the last week, you made quite a lot of money, and I'm a little sad I didn't get into this one, but what can you do? One thing that happened when I was gone was Tesla got into the S&P 500, which was very good for the stock. It broke that $500 mark again, and it's been having a steady last month. So the other stock that I'm currently in is Riot blockchain. They do Bitcoin mining, and it's one that I'm not too big on. It's just someone put me onto it, and I was like, might as well buy a call option for it. It has been moving pretty big the past week, so I'm just gonna keep holding on to it. Bitcoin has been doing very well. A lot of cryptos have been as well, and I had $100 sitting around, so I was like, let me just put it into this. Maybe it would have been better to put it into Blink, but Blink is quite a bit more expensive to buy a call for than Riot is, so I just went with Riot. But yeah, that's been what I've been up to in the past month or so. Let me know what you guys have been playing around with. It honestly, you could have been in any one of the stocks I've mentioned recently, and you would be doing very well. But yeah, guys, that's the end of episode 1 of season 2 of Portfolio Update. Let me know if you like the season 2 thing. Definitely feels like season 2 of Portfolio Update. I'm starting with about way less than I actually started. When I first started investing I started investing about 2-3 years ago, but it wasn't really active investing. It was just put my money in Tesla and let it go up. But my second time investing, I had $2,000. It was right after, not right after, yeah, it was about right after when COVID hit. I had $2,000, and at the height it got to $12,000, and then I think started pulling my money out when it dropped to like 7,000, 5,000 area-ish. So I still made a pretty solid profit on it, but I didn't leave when I should have at 12,000. Hopefully we've learned some lessons, and this time I started with $1,300, and hopefully we can make more money with a smaller initial value. And I definitely think I'll be able to put out more consistent videos this time around. I know towards the end of season 1, I was posting my videos very irregularly, time-wise, and this time most of my classes have gone online, so I will be able to post videos for you guys on a more consistent basis. But yeah, let me know how it's been for you guys, if you've been making a lot of money over this past month or so, or have you taken some losses? How has the election affected you guys? Let me know how it's been, guys. Missed you guys. But yeah, hopefully you guys have had a solid Monday, and the rest of the week looks very promising. The last month has been promising for EVs, so hopefully it continues. See you guys. Deuce.